Okay. Now I have a question. Every day you have question for me. How many of you don't worry here at all? Raise your hand. How many of you don't worry? No worries. Come on. Start worrying. It's only the donkeys and dogs don't worry. Human beings are supposed to worry. Are you all here? If you are human being, you must worry. If you don't worry, you are not a human being. But your worry should be big. You worry big. Worry for the nation. What do you mean? And you are a human being and you have a heart and you don't worry? You should worry for the world, how it will be in another 200 years. You should worry for the nation. You should worry for the society. What do you say? Got it? Even worry should be big because nothing small gives you joy. There is a saying in Sanskrit, Nalpe sukhamasti, yovai bhuma tat sukham. There is no fun, there is no joy in small things. But all you have to do anything, whenever you do something big, you have joy in it. So if you worry big, then it gives you some sort of comfort. Got it?